Ever wondered what happens when galaxies collide? Picture two colossal galaxies surging through the vast expanse of space, driven by unimaginable speeds. Over the course of billions of years, their paths converge, their gravitational forces drawing them closer and closer, until, finally, they become intertwined in a spectacular cosmic ballet. This is the fascinating phenomenon we know as galactic collisions. One such collision, slated to occur in a mere 4 billion years, involves our very own home, the Milky Way, and our galactic neighbor Andromeda. Scientists predict that these two celestial giants will eventually merge together, birthing a new, even grander galaxy in the process. Now, you might be picturing a cataclysmic clash, a violent upheaval of cosmic proportions. But the reality of galactic collisions is far more graceful, far more poetic. Rather than a destructive crash, it's a slow, majestic dance, choreographed by the very laws of physics themselves. Gravity, that invisible puppeteer, pulls together the stars and gas clouds of the colliding galaxies, weaving them into new patterns and formations. This cosmic dance, while it may take billions of years to unfold, is a spectacle of unparalleled beauty and complexity. These collisions aren't just visually stunning, they're also crucially important for the evolution of galaxies. They stir up the interstellar medium, trigger bursts of star formation, and pave the way for the creation of new stars and planets. Each collision is a catalyst, spurring on the endless cycle of cosmic birth and rebirth. So, as we look ahead to the future collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda, there's no need for alarm. Yes, our night sky will change, new constellations will form, and the night will be set ablaze with the glow of countless new stars. But rest assured, when galaxies collide, it's not the violent crash you might imagine. So what really happens when galaxies collide? Well, it's less of a car crash and more of a ballet. Picture two vast galaxies, each a whirl of billions of stars, gas, and dust, spinning and spiraling through the cosmos. Now, propelled by the forces of gravity, they're on a collision course. It's a cosmic dance that spans billions of years. But here's the surprising bit. Despite the unimaginable scale and speed, it's not a violent clash as you might think. The vast distances between stars mean they rarely, if ever, collide directly. Instead, the galaxies meld and morph, their shapes twisting under the influence of gravity. Stars and gas clouds are drawn together, creating spectacular cosmic fireworks. New stars are born, lighting up the cosmos in a dazzling display. The two galaxies, once separate entities, gradually merge into one larger galaxy. In essence, it's a cosmic dance of epic proportions. Galactic collisions are more than just a spectacular show. They are, in fact, key players in the grand scheme of cosmic evolution. Imagine these colossal galaxies as celestial factories, where new stars and planets are constantly being forged. When galaxies collide, their gravitational forces mingle and churn, pulling together massive clouds of gas and dust. This interstellar material, under immense pressure and heat, ignites to birth new stars. These stars in turn may have planets forming around them, creating potential homes for life as we know it. Moreover, these galactic mergers stimulate bursts of star formation known as starbursts. Starbursts are like cosmic fireworks, lighting up the universe with brilliant new stars. They also enrich galaxies with heavier elements, the building blocks for planets and life. These cosmic collisions may be slow-paced in our human perception, but they are indeed the catalysts of change and transformation on a universal scale. Galactic collisions are a powerful force driving the evolution of the universe. Imagine looking up at a completely different night sky. As our Milky Way and Andromeda dance toward their cosmic union, billions of years from now, our view of the heavens will be forever transformed. The celestial landscape, as we know it, will be reshaped. As these two galaxies merge, they will create a new, larger galaxy filled with an uncountable number of stars. The constellations, those familiar patterns of stars that have guided explorers and inspired storytellers for millennia, will change and evolve. New constellations will be born from this grand celestial reshuffling, their outlines etched against the darkness by the glow of countless stars. And our night sky? It will be ablaze, a mesmerizing spectacle of cosmic fireworks. We will witness an entirely new stellar panorama, a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. Galactic collisions may be slow-moving on a cosmic timescale, but their impact is undeniably profound. As our journey through the cosmos comes to an end, let's take a moment to appreciate the grandeur of the universe we inhabit. The galaxies dance, stars are born and die, and the night sky we gaze upon is but a fleeting snapshot in an eternal cosmic ballet. The beauty of this cosmic spectacle is only matched by its scale, complexity, and the mysteries it holds. And while we may not live to see the grand collision of Milky Way and Andromeda, we have the privilege of knowing that this spectacular event will take place. So, the next time you glance up at the night sky, remember, you're witnessing an ever-evolving cosmic dance that has been unfolding for billions of years. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you on the next voyage to the stars.